Okay, again, this is Sunday, July the 9th, 2017, and here we are by the river and by the sluice down which they used to float logs. And the reason why we are waiting here is because the train is coming back. So the tracks are right up here, and we will see the train go by shortly. I'm going to pause it now. Okay, the suspense is so thick you can cut it with a knife, and as we speak, here comes the train. I think I can, I certainly know I can puff smoke up. Wow, it's the real deal. Okay, I'm going to catch it up here. Okay, everybody. Train, a train, a train, a train. Could you, would you, on a train? This is Dr. Seuss. Okay, and now it goes across the train bridge. What a fine sight, except for the smoke, but that's how it used to be all the time, now just occasionally. There's Lillian, there's Ellen, Arnfinn, Nellie, and Eric. Smile, dear. Did you like it?
I liked it.
All right.
It was cool.
You are too.